Want to add a song from the Files app on your iPhone into Apple Music? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add music from the Files app into Apple Music on iPhone. Now let's get started. There isn't a way to transfer music directly from Files to the Apple Music app, but you can do this with the help of a computer. You'll also need the Apple Music app on your computer. You can download it for free from the Microsoft Store on PC or the App Store on Mac. To begin, you'll first need to transfer the music files from your Files app to your computer. If you have a Mac, you can do this through AirDrop. If you have a PC, you can email the files to yourself and then download them onto your computer. Once you have the files transferred to your computer, open Apple Music on your computer. Then drag and drop the files you just downloaded into the Songs tab in Apple Music. Now plug your iPhone into your computer using a USB or USB-C connection. If prompted, allow your computer to trust your iPhone and your iPhone to trust your computer. Under Devices, click your iPhone. Then click Sync Settings. Select Music. Click the checkbox labeled Sync Music onto iPhone. You can choose to sync all music or only selected music. I'm choosing the selected option. At the bottom, click Apply. If you chose to sync all music, it should begin syncing. If you chose the Selected Music Only option, go back to your Apple Music Songs tab. Select the songs you want to transfer to your iPhone. Then right-click. Select Add to Device. Then select your iPhone. The songs should then sync onto your iPhone, and you'll see the songs appear in your Apple Music app under Recent Downloads on your iPhone. That's all it takes to transfer music from your iPhone's Files app to Apple Music on your iPhone. Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.